Howdy friends, today we're going to show you peonies coming to life about over 8 or 9 days, and you see them when they bulb up, not bulb up, bud up, check it out. Also, I'm not exactly sure which type this peony is because it came with the property. I think it's an Ann Cousins. Drop your opinion down below. So it's May 3rd, and you can see we have many more blooms today. Some real beauties in there. We also had an afternoon rain. It wasn't heavy, but it was enough to lay some of the blooms down, and that is the nature of peonies. Once they are mature and get these huge blooms, they will retain a lot of water. Yes, they will. But we're getting close to what I would call full. They will, of course, keep blooming, but there's a few more, like you can see right there. And they won't all bloom at the same time. When some of these bloom, others will be past. And we had a conversation in a chat the other day, and there they are. You can see the ants. So we'll come back and see what this looks like tomorrow. Well, share that if you know somebody that enjoys this particular flower. It is beautiful this time of year. It certainly is. And don't forget, go out and give this fella a hello. Tell him Jules or Jamie Slate sent you. Peace, y'all.